Oh, that's our 4 minutes style. It's about a 4-minute pizza. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, baby. Oh man, that looks amazing. See that? Pull it out of here. Underneath. Oh yeah. You guys can see this, but underneath is cooked awesome, like beautiful, right? It's crispy. It's hot. See how crispy that is underneath? Just awesome, hard. I got some really nice color on top. Some people might think it's too much char. I think it's just right. And now the finishing touches. I'm gonna grate a little bit more cheese. Here we go. Cheese it up. Basil. It's not a must, but it's really nice to have some basil on there. All right, so now for the slice job. Again, underneath is just beautiful. It smells incredible. Listen to that sound. I'm gonna go with the six slicer. Amazing. It really doesn't get old, guys. Like, this is just as incredible as my first pizza in here. Just so incredible.